Hi, welcome to another episode of DIY by Cess. This quick and short video is about cutting, weeding, and transferring a Cricut vinyl. Weeding box technique allows you to easily weed vinyl text and designs by creating a box around your project. My go-to craft knife is Martha Stewart. This knife is very comfortable in the hand and the blade gripping mechanism works well. This Cricut Bright Pad Go makes my weeding so much easier. It highlights the cuts, making it easier to see the parts that need to be removed. To protect my table or my work area surface, I use Arteza self-healing cutting mat. Now it's time to transfer them to reusable egg containers that I got from Dollar Tree for $1.25 each. And there you have it. An easy and inexpensive craft that you can sell or give as gifts. See you again on the next episode of DIY by Cess. Thanks for watching!